Namaste. My name is Rajiv Amaram. I am a petrol pump dealer from Telangana, presently operating a dealership in Hyderabad. I am actually ex-president of Telangana, also joint secretary of All India. Today we are facing a lot of issues in petroleum industry and especially petroleum dealers. Suddenly, due to COVID-19, our sales have dropped to less than 5% throughout the state. We have lost a lot of revenue. A lot of our dealers have gone to bankruptcy. As per the government instructions, dealers are forced to pay the full wages to the employees. Because of the drop in sales, dealers are not in a position to pay even salaries. Even in these circumstances, due to the essential commodity, the dealers have supported nationwide in sales of petrol and diesel to cooperate and see the wheels are on moving for ambulances, for government services, police departments, even essential commodities. But we are in very huge problems. Dealers are unable to come up or cope up. Even today, after so many days, almost a lot of lockdown men have lifted, relaxations have been given. Even then, our dealers are not able to achieve 40% of our regular sales, due to which we are facing a lot of financial crisis. I hope Government of India plus oil companies will look into it and support the dealers so that they can come back and serve the customers better. So I humbly request all the government officials, Prime Minister of India, Minister of Petroleum, even oil companies to support the dealers financially, morally, so that they will continue this business. As I already told, the sales have not even picked up till 40% of our regular sales, which were there before COVID-19. Even then, our dealers are still struggling to operate the outlets. We have a huge problem of labor shortage also. Especially in Hyderabad, there were a lot of people, migrants, who were working with us, which are called friendly neighborhood support service or support labor, who were working with us for since last 3-4 years, who have suddenly left to their native places because of lot of rumors in social media. We are also facing problem of staff. We are working with very minimum staff and hope our customers will understand that we are working under pressure and request their support towards our staff and courtesy towards our staff to serve them better. As per today's scenario, until unless all the IT employees will come back to their services, working from offices instead of homes, educational institutions and lot of other places which are being shut down which are not in working, until unless they come back. Even then, even if we get 100% sales back, the losses which we have incurred in this COVID-19 period might take a year to get this losses back. The present consumption, as I told, which is dropped to maximum of 30%. Presently, on a highway and other segment of the market, if you consolidate, we are not even achieving 30 to 40% sales. So the loss is around 60%. Today, the present scenario of petrol and diesel sales in Telangana statewide is around 10 lakh liters of petrol we could achieve the volume, and in diesel 30 lakh liters per day we have reached, whereas the loss is more than 70%. Today also we are losing 30 lakh liters of petrol sale and 60 lakh liters of diesel per day. To retain this volume and to come back this volume, I hope it will take more than 6 months from now. A lot of employees have already left the petrol pump field. They have gone to their native places, and we are working under very short of staff and skeleton staff. That is the situation, and on an average 50% of the staff is already not reporting to their jobs. So 50% of boys have already left the petroleum industry. As per today's scenario, if anyone would like to enter the petroleum field, it is a high risk industry. So coming up with new retail outlets might not be feasible, and operating the old outlets itself is on a high risk. So for new coming dealers, my suggestion would be to stay out of petrol pump industry at present.